Your car's engine is designed to last well over 200,000 miles with proper care. But most drivers unintentionally kill their engines before even hitting 100,000 miles. These mistakes are silent killers. They wear down parts, clog passages, and eventually lead to thousands of dollars in repairs. In this video, I'll share the 15 most common engine-destroying mistakes that you must avoid if you want your car to run smooth for years. Trust me, if you stick around till the end, you'll save yourself a fortune and keep your engine alive way past the 100,000 mark. And before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Car Care Expert for more real car-saving advice. Let's get started. Number 1. Ignoring regular oil changes. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and keeps things cool. Skipping oil changes or stretching them too far causes sludge buildup, starves bearings of lubrication, and accelerates wear. Even if your oil looks clean, it may have lost its protective additives. Stick to the schedule, usually 5,000 to 7,500 miles or even sooner for turbocharged engines. Using the correct viscosity grade is equally important because the wrong oil can cause poor lubrication or cold start wear. People often assume modern synthetic oils can last forever, but that's false. Dirty oil leads to overheating, worn piston rings, and eventually catastrophic engine failure. Changing oil regularly is the single most important step to keep your engine alive beyond 100,000 miles. But oil isn't the only fluid that matters. Number 2. Neglecting coolant system maintenance. Your cooling system prevents overheating, and once your engine overheats, damage is often irreversible. Many drivers think topping up coolant occasionally is enough, but coolant loses its rust inhibitors and protective properties over time. Old coolant leads to corrosion in the radiator, water pump, and even the engine block. Worse, neglected systems can clog, restricting coolant flow and cooking the engine. Always flush and replace coolant every 2 to 3 years or as recommended. Also, check hoses for cracks and clamps for leaks. Overheating even once can warp the cylinder head, blow the head gasket, or seize pistons. Spending a few bucks on coolant maintenance is far cheaper than replacing an engine. But keeping fluids clean isn't enough. How you drive also plays a big role. Number 3. Hard acceleration on cold starts. Many people start their car and immediately rev the engine or speed off. Big mistake. When your engine is cold, oil is thick and hasn't yet circulated fully to protect moving parts. Hard acceleration at this point grinds metal on metal, causing premature wear on piston rings, crankshaft bearings, and camshafts. You don't need to idle for 15 minutes either. Just give it 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently until the temperature gauge moves up. This simple habit massively reduces engine wear. Mechanics see countless cars with worn-out engines at 80 to 100,000 miles, simply because the owner had an aggressive cold start routine. Now here's another overlooked mistake that slowly kills engines. Number 4. Using cheap or wrong engine oil. Many people grab the cheapest oil on sale, thinking all oils are the same. Not true. Using the wrong grade or poor quality oil can destroy your engine. Modern engines require oils that meet specific certifications, like APISN, SP, or ACEA specs. Cheap oils break down quickly under heat, leaving deposits and varnish inside. Wrong viscosity causes poor lubrication, harder starts, and overheating under load. Always stick to the recommended oil type in your owner's manual. Saving $15 on cheap oil can cost you $5,000 in repairs later. But even with the right oil, bad habits can still cause hidden damage. Number 5. Constant short trips. If most of your driving is short trips, under 5 miles, your engine never reaches full operating temperature. This prevents moisture and fuel vapors from evaporating, leading to sludge buildup and oil dilution. Over time, the inside of your engine gets coated with carbon and gunk. If short trips are unavoidable, take your car for a longer highway drive once a week to fully warm it up. This keeps oil clean, burns off deposits, and helps maintain peak engine health. Speaking of driving, here's another habit that wears down engines fast. Number 6. Aggressive driving and redlining. Revving your engine to redline frequently may feel fun, but it puts enormous stress on components. Constant high RPM driving increases heat, accelerates wear on piston rings, valves, and timing chains, and can even stretch head bolts. While occasional spirited driving isn't harmful, doing it daily is like running a marathon every morning. Eventually, something breaks. Smooth acceleration and shifting keep your engine lasting decades. And while you're behind the wheel, there's a dashboard light you must never ignore. Number 7, ignoring the check engine light. Too many drivers ignore the check engine light, assuming it's just a sensor. But often it's an early warning of problems like misfires, oxygen sensor failure, or even failing catalytic converters. Driving with a misfire, for example, sends raw fuel into the exhaust, which overheats and damages valves and pistons. A $50 repair ignored can easily become a $3,000 repair. Always scan your car when the light comes on. Affordable OBD2 scanners let you check codes yourself before visiting a mechanic. But sensors aren't the only thing. The actual air your engine breathes matters too. Number 8, dirty or neglected air filters. Your engine needs clean air for proper combustion. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, leading to poor fuel economy, reduced power, and unburnt fuel deposits inside the engine. In severe cases, dirt bypassing the filter can score cylinder walls and damage pistons. Replacing your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner in dusty areas, is cheap insurance. A $20 filter replacement can prevent thousands in damage. But air isn't the only thing flowing in. Fuel quality is another silent killer. Number 9, using low quality or wrong fuel. Using cheap gas from sketchy stations may save you pennies, but it can wreck your engine. Low-quality fuel often contains impurities that clog injectors, foul spark plugs, and damage fuel pumps. Using the wrong octane rating also causes knocking, which over time can damage pistons and bearings. Stick to top-tier fuel whenever possible, and always follow the manufacturer's octane recommendation. Adding a good fuel system cleaner occasionally also keeps injectors spraying properly. Now let's talk about an engine part most people don't think about until it's too late. Number 10, ignoring timing belt or chain replacement. If your engine has a timing belt, replacing it on schedule, usually 60,000 to 100,000 miles, is critical. A broken timing belt means pistons slam into valves, destroying the engine instantly. Even timing chains, while more durable, can stretch if oil changes are neglected. If you hear rattling at startup, don't ignore it. Spending a few hundred on preventative timing service can save you from a total engine replacement. But some mistakes don't involve parts. They involve neglecting basic checks. Number 11, running low on oil. Many people never check their dipstick between oil changes. Engines can burn oil slowly, and if you're even a quart low, lubrication suffers. Driving with low oil levels increases friction, overheats parts, and can seize the engine. Check your oil level at least once a month, especially before road trips. Topping off costs nothing compared to the price of a rebuild. But what about things outside the engine? Believe it or not, your cooling fans matter too. Number 12, ignoring radiator fans and thermostats. Your radiator fans and thermostat regulate engine temperature. A stuck thermostat can cause overheating or prevent the engine from warming up properly. Faulty fans mean your engine cooks in traffic. These small parts often fail without warning, but checking them regularly can prevent disaster. If your car overheats even once, the long-term damage can be devastating. Warped heads, blown gaskets, or cracked blocks. Another silent killer is something you can't even see happening. Number 13, carbon buildup in direct injection engines. Modern engines with direct fuel injection often suffer from carbon buildup on intake valves. Unlike older engines, fuel doesn't wash over the valves, so gunk accumulates. This causes misfires, poor performance, and eventually engine damage. Walnut blasting or using fuel system cleaners designed for GDI engines every 30,000 to 40,000 miles keeps your engine clean. Ignoring this maintenance can cost thousands, but sometimes the way you use your car daily can make or break its engine life. Number 14, Excessive idling. Many people think idling is harmless, but long periods of idling waste fuel, foul spark plugs, and build carbon deposits. Engines are designed to run under load, not sit at idle for hours. If you're waiting for someone, it's better to shut the engine off. Police cars and delivery vehicles often suffer premature engine wear due to extended idling. And finally, here's the #1 mistake that silently destroys countless engines. Number 15, skipping preventive maintenance. This is the umbrella mistake that kills most engines. Drivers wait until something breaks before fixing it instead of preventing the failure. Simple tasks like changing spark plugs, replacing PCV valves, cleaning throttle bodies, and flushing fluids on time all add up to engine longevity. An engine that gets regular care can easily outlive the car itself, while neglected engines die early, often before 100,000 miles. So there you have it. The 15 stupid mistakes that destroy engines before 100,000 miles. Avoid these, and your car's engine could easily double or even triple its life. Remember, engines don't die from mileage. They die from neglect and bad habits. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who loves their car, and subscribe to Car Care Expert for more car-saving tips. Drop a comment below and tell me, which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Stay smart, take care of your ride, and I'll see you in the next video.